Good morning students. Today is our English class for class 5th standard. In today's class we are going to learn a new lesson and the lesson name is Flying Together. Let's know the summary of the story. Flying Together is a story that is about a flock of geese and how they manage to escape and hunter together. It involves around a wise goose and how it manages to help them escape. Let's move on to the lesson. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. Its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. This tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. They felt safe there. One of the geese was a wise old bird. Look at this picture, students. It was a very tall, huge tree with long, wide branches, which was the house to a flock of geese. The tree made them feel homely and safe. Among the flock, there was an old and wise geese. He noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. He spoke to the other birds about it. Do you see that creeper? He said to them. Let us destroy it. Why must we destroy it? Asked the geese in surprise. It is so small. What harm can it do? My friends, replied the wise old bird. That little creeper will soon grow. As it creeps up this tree, it will become thick and strong. Here mentions about a small creeper. Look at this picture, students. This is a small creeper growing at the foot of the tree. The old geese spoke to all the geese about it. The old geese wanted to destroy the creeper. The old geese know the creeper would grow soon and become thick and strong. What of that? Asked the geese. What harm can a creeper do us? Don't you see? Replied the wise bird. With the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. A hunter can come up and kill us all. It would creep the tree and become an hazard for them. As hunter could easily climb the creeper and kill the geese, but the other geese took it lightly because it was very small. Well, there is no hurry, they replied. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. Destroy the creeper while it is still young, the old bird advised. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. Later it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it. Now highlights the difference in opinion between the old geese and the young ones. The young geese didn't want to cut the creeper as it was too small. They felt pity for it. The old geese advised the creeper should be destroyed when it is young, as afterwards it would become thick and difficult to chop. We will see, answered the birds, but they did not destroy the creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. Stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as a thick rope. The other geese kept on delaying the matter of cutting the creeper until it became strong and surrounded the tree like a rope. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. So, this is where the wild geese live. He said to himself, when they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. One fine day, the geese had flew away in search of food. That time a hunter entered into the forest. A hunter said to himself, when they come back in the evening, I shall catch all the geese. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. He got to the top and spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away. When the hunter came and spread his net in the tree, climbing the creeper, the hunter had the intention to catch the geese as they returned in the evening. Okay, students, in the next class we will see whether they destroy the creepers or the hunter catch the geese. Thank you, students.